All right, we're here at 6911 Coventry Ridge Road, our newest listing hitting the market this weekend. It's a 2,000 square foot, 3-bed, 2.5 bathroom home that's just north of 540 and just east of Forestville Road. So the convenience of the location is second to none. Backs up to a creek and a neighborhood buffer, so you've got privacy in the back. Home's been updated, so let's go in and I'll show you around. So the house itself is on about 1/4 acre, but it backs up to this creek, and there's a 5-acre community buffer back there behind the house that runs between these two property lines. So you can't even see that there's houses on the other side of that. So while it's not a huge lot, it gives you the illusion of more space than 1/4 acre. Thanks for stopping by. We've got 2 open houses this weekend, Saturday from 1 to 3, Sunday 2 to 4. If you're interested, know somebody who is, send them on by. We'd love to see you. Thanks so much.